Yeah. Again, we're coming back, but we need to because for you guys. So here we are back again, and today we are going to discuss the match between Kolkata Knight Riders and Sunrisers Hyderabad. Well, why is Sunrisers Hyderabad a T20 team? After seeing them, as I think the Hyderabad can beat the Hyderabad can no Hyderabad cannot even beat the Ireland Test team. To be honest, after seeing this match. Even Ireland test team might score more runs in 20 overs than what Hyderabad would have done. So no, it's a bit insulting for Hyderabad to be honest that I've done. Okay. Uh,
But
so
it was like a very intense match. Chasing 116, still he went to one last over. Man,
man,
I was
Kolkata
like
was
laughing.
Kolkata was also even choking during the last few overs. But ultimately, Shubman and Karthik has done the job. So here we are going to discuss the match between Kolkata Knight Riders and Sunsetting Hyderabad. So first of all, I want to ask about the Sunset Hyderabad. Is that why is the sun setting this year?
Don't know what happened to them. It was like from the starting of this IPL 2021 season, they weren't getting into the rhythm, and players weren't in the good form. And in India, they were playing in Chennai, so that pitch was a bit challenging. Other teams played too. They lost there too because and I feel those teams who were playing in Chennai are in a more troubling situation now because they lost
Mumbai and
their
Hyderabad.
matches there, and now here also they are losing some matches, so it's getting quite harder for them in the for the playoffs race. So I feel that it was like disappointing performance for those teams. And talking about the Sunrisers Hyderabad, the as of now they knew that they aren't going to playoffs, so they decided to give young players a chance. That was a good, you can say, good initiative for them, resting main players, and they were resting David Warner too. That was a bit surprising in the phase one too, that he isn't performing. Then he was being removed from captaincy. Kane Williamson was awarded with that captaincy. So don't know what thought approach that their management was thinking. That was a bit like surprising.
So the Sunset Hyderabad have been on a very bad role, and they might even not they not I don't know how much they will score. So the next match with them is about I think with Mumbai Indians. I think. Yeah. So it might be
Crucial
the
match.
title match.
Crucial match
Yeah.
for
So
MI.
yeah. And Hyderabad, please, man, please lose it. Please, you are losing every match and only Mumbai should be the exception. How is that?
Otherwise,
We should lose it.
Hyderabad will do that Hindi phrase. हम डूबेंगे तुम्हें भी लेके डूबेंगे सनम.
Also, previous time, 20, I think 2021 only, Mumbai has to win that match against, I think, CSK or which team? No, not CSK, I think against one team in the.
Hyderabad. It was Hyderabad only at Sharjah,
Yeah,
and
yeah,
SRH beat MI by 10 wickets and threw KKR out of the playoffs. KKR fans were so
it's
disappointed.
yeah. This time it is absolutely opposite currently. Is
Yes,
SRD can able to beat MI and then Kolkata will qualify if they are able to beat
yes,
Rajasthan.
yes.
So this is absolutely karma. Life has
So
gone full circle.
so intense matches coming up in the next few days.
Yeah, man. KKR Mumbai swapping each other position in these 2 years. So let's see who will be playing ultimately.
So
Now let's
I feel we haven't seen Emma in this position, like calculating those playoff chances. As we see, Emma is comfortably sitting at number one, number two position with already qualified, but now they are being fighting for that playoffs position. They have to win their two matches. So let's see what happens. And SRH has,
also
you can say, the big role in the MI's playoff race. That match is
also let Also, we have seen in 2014 when MI were trailing in 6th or 7th position. At that time, they were facing the Rajasthan Royals in the last match, and guess what? Cody Henderson and Ambati Raidu literally stole the show, and they are able to chase 194 in
Aditya Tare.
14.2 overs. Oh yeah,
Aditya
Aditya
Tare.
Thakur hit the last six.
Yes.
He was hit the last six because at the last ball, I think Raidu was run out,
Yes.
and at that time, Aditya
So
Thakur
they
did,
gave
did
that
chase the
equation that you should hit six in the one ball. That was like you can say the mind blowing chase. 119 just 14.4 overs. Unbelievable.
Oh man, that was one of the best match, and we saw Rahul Dravid throwing his cap away. That was also one of the intense moments in that match. Okay, now coming to this Kolkata versus SRH, which was literally a boring match to be honest. It was literally a test affair as you have seen. But ultimately, KKR's batting actually made me think, believing that SRH have a chance to win. As you have seen, KKR choking the match against the Punjab Kings in the last ball catch. Oh man,
It
that was
was
another.
it was KKR's fortune that they were needing just 3 runs in the last over. Otherwise, it would 10-15 SRH could have won. I feel so.
Oh,
Was like
every
very. I was like laughing. You can't still chase. They were in a good position, KKR. As I saw earlier, but now they were just running like run a ball from remaining 4 overs, and it went to last over.
and all to be honest, Kolkata has been doing this for a long time, and also their run rate reduced. What a profit for Mumbai Indians! I saw yesterday that their run rate previously was
Yeah,
0.45 or 0.3, and their run rate has now reduced to 0.229 currently. So we can see that even though KKR is winning, but their run rate can reduce because of the last over for yesterday's match.
yeah.
So
Actually, I was a bit scared that KKR will finish this match earlier and they will go. I as I say that their in net run rate will be more stronger, but the match went to last over and it become helpful for MI. Now their run rate is very close, but MI's run rate is very bad. I can, as we see, so they have to win the matches with some good margin. So they can, it would be helpful for them.
okay, so guys, first of all, I want to say is that what is actually net run rate which matters. So net run rate is actually, for example, we need to give you examples. So first of all, if you think the Punjab Kings versus Mumbai Indians match is going on. So if Punjab Kings think that Punjab Kings has scored 170 runs in 20 overs, okay, guys, and their run rate is 8.5. And also, if you think Mumbai Indians have been all out for 140 runs in 15 overs. Sorry, 140 runs in 14 overs. That is 300. You are saying that Mumbai Indians having a run rate of 10 and Punjab Kings having a run rate of 8.5. But it is actually not the case you see. Mumbai Indians 140 runs, it will be taking in 20 overs. That means 140 will be divided not by 10, but it will be divided by 7. Say 20. And it will be equal to 7. MI will face a net run rate deduction of minus 1.5. This is how the net run rate actually works. So
Yes,
let's see actually.
it depends on the margin of runs or wickets you lose on and the remaining overs too. So that's the
Absolutely.
crucial thing you can say for net run rate.
But to be honest, man, the DLS method is out of mind. Net run rate can be easily understood, but DLS method, man, even the greatest
If
mathematician, even you, yeah.
really can't understand the equation, I feel like that the Duckworth-Lewis equation they becomes more tougher for a batting team. Like they reduce the overs and increase the target. So
Also,
you have to play
yeah.
very fearless.
Also, I have read a situation during one of the World Cup at the Cricket World Cup that South Africa were literally recording 20, 25 or 27 runs of literally two
One ball,
overs. And
one ball. I
uh,
think
no, no,
the
I'm saying,
10 of
then the
10 runs or any some impossible 10 or 9 runs of one ball. How they can score, man?
uh, after that the rain occurred, and after that it was finished from that 22 are required of one ball actually. I think that. So it was literally what I will say. And
At
no,
least give
at that
one
time
over. At least give one over. He will try to hit some runs. 10, 15
it was
might be.
one of it was one of the devastating moments of South Africa's cricket career history. Also, now coming up about Hyderabad batting, it was clearly we are seeing Chandreshwar Pujara bat for the whole team, as he has seen. Look, Williamson, he was the highest run scorer maybe, but everyone bat like Chandreshwar Pujara. Everyone is idolizing Chandreshwar Pujara, Lord Pujara. And also, if we see of the falling of what I will say, Kolkata Knight Riders, actually everyone did best jobs as you say. Shivam
Yes,
Mami doing
that
something.
pitch was good. It was helping for pacers, so they got it very right. And talking about the Saha's wicket, he was not out. He should have been taken the DRS actually, but
Yeah.
he went silently. That was like let's say minus point for them. He should have taken that DRS.
Okay, and also we are coming about the Kolkata's batting. To be honest, Venkatesh failed for the first time in his IPL career this time, but innings was yeah.
Against DC too. Against DC,
No,
he
no, he has
was.
taken two wickets.
Yep,
Yeah, he has taken
in the batting, I am talking about
no.
that
He
he
has taken
scored
about
less than 20.
yeah. But we are considering him as all rounder after seeing his wicket. So if he succeeds in one field only, then we can consider him successful to be honest. Because he has contributed to one field only, and that's enough for a team to have such a player like that. But yesterday he was the first time he has flopped in both the sections. Although he has taken two catches at the deep, but what do you say? He was the man who flopped yesterday. And also we have the Shubman Gill controlling the innings, anchoring the innings properly, and literally giving KKR the huge margin. Also Nitish Rana, man. I was thinking that Nitish Rana, which Nitish Rana is this? Is this the Nitish Rana of Kolkata Knight Riders or is this the Nitish Rana of Delhi Ranji team? Man, he was leaving balls. Man, he was the one who was pressurizing the KKR bowlers actually. So
Yep,
KKR batting.
his strike rate was low too and playing slow, so I think that was the thing that affected them. That Chase went to last over. He was playing little
Hmm.
bit slow, and Shubman Gill also took 51 deliveries for that. His 57. He's good in chase, but I feel Shubman Gill is playing little bit slow. He should play fast and anchor the innings as fast as possible.
Also, man, Morgan. He was so afraid of batting that he has literally came to the innings when Kolkata has almost won the match. When Karthik has almost finished the match. At that time, he came to bat so that his haters would say, "आज ये साला bat नहीं किया, आज इसने भाई नहीं डुबाया." Why? What is Morgan's mentality is that he is coming to the match only when the team is in a winning position. And when in a losing position, he's literally giving his wicket out and going back to his dressing room. What is Morgan doing? Morgan, India wants to know what is. Sorry. Sorry. Arre, what? Okay. Morgan, my what? What are you doing? India wants to know. My mobile has fallen for you. Say, Morgan, my.
That was like, as you see that, yep, in you can say that he hasn't been scoring runs from that captain's responsibility, as you say. He's throwing his wicket and going back to dressing room. Yesterday he played 2 out of 2. That was good. I thought that he will now defend 1-2
Yeah,
balls, and it would be again the troubling situation for them. But he took two
the first
singles,
ball,
and
man, he was
that was
out for
good.
the bounce. Even if you see the first ball, he was literally being out. Means the fielder was
Yeah,
just a few meters behind and he was being hit by a bouncer ball, which is actually his weakest point. And he's going for that only. So what is Morgan actually doing in the field? And also he has been bad at fielding, man. He has been leaving catches. He has not been fielding properly. So do you think? No, I have asked a question earlier also that the captain should be replaced. But also if you see Shakib Al Hasan, to be honest, his contribution doesn't seem not as impactful as compared to Russell or Ferguson or even other foreign players, to be honest. Shakib need to bat higher up in the innings in order to prove himself. Even he can bat higher than Morgan also. Shakib is actually a number one down batsman, but he is being batting like
Their
so down now.
their main problem is their batting order. That's it. The management have to really think about it. That how players should play up the order and down the order. So that's the main issue there. And plus point they are still winning the matches without Russell. So
And that's
and
a plus point.
yeah, that's a plus point. And I feel they will really need Russell in their upcoming match against the RR, hoping for the Russell's comeback, the KKR
Not
team.
only Russell, not only Russell, but also they need Ferguson. Ferguson has been taking wickets for them in each and every match, to be honest. So Ferguson is
Actually,
also important member of the squad right now. Ferguson, Saudi, Russell, Nahi. That's it. Sorry, Morgan. You have to play Morgan. No choice. So I think Saudi will be going out for Ferguson. Ferguson is better bowler than Saudi as we have seen in the IPL.
yes.
And also, if we come about Dinesh Karthik, man, I think he should be handed a captaincy back again. He has been playing well and has been batting better than Morgan and even several other KKR players. So, do you think that Karthik should be handed a captaincy in order to reduce the load of Morgan, and this might let Morgan to bring his original form back?
Yeah, actually, we can say that KKR was in the when it was in the hands of DK, it was good, and Morgan was
Hmm.
performing too. So if they headed back to that, so Morgan will perform too, and it would be helpful for them. And even DK is now performing, so that's a good sign for them. And DK will handle it neatly.
Captaincy ka chakkar, Babu Bhaiya, captaincy ka chakkar. So, guys, KKR is almost qualified, but still there are four teams. Even you can't relate Punjab teams out of the race till now. So, who is going to be in the playoff? Kolkata, Mumbai, Punjab, or Rajasthan? Punjab almost out.
I
But let's see.
feel I feel
Yeah, please.
KKR or else Mumbai Indians. It depends on Mumbai Indians totally performance.
But if you see the last match of Rajasthan Royals, I have got a shock. It means I have got a shock almost that they have played so brilliantly against the Chennai Super Kings. Even Chennai was playing with almost their A squad except Mohammad Rashid, but Mohammad Rashid was a good
Yeah,
cricket.
that was like too comfortable chase for them. Nothing like burden or pressure situation. Their batsman took it so easily that 190 is the small total. Their thought process was that was like
Uh,
brilliant, man, magnificent.
even yeah, even Dhoni told during the interview that 250 would have been a par score as by seeing the Rajasthan Royals lineup.
Yeah,
Okay, so the playoff race are going to begin within a few days, and also we are going to see the battle for the fourth spot. Much more, it's going to be interesting and intense. The world's best cricket league. It might be entertaining even several football leagues, to be honest. So, Indian Premier League. That's it. That's the name. That's the word. So, guys, if you like the analysis and match discussion, so like, subscribe to the channel. We are going to meet you with CS DC video tomorrow. And also don't forget to check our YouTube reels for several news headlines that we have covered about football, including the match between Manchester City and Liverpool. So thanks, Bhushan, for joining us. And here's us. Bye. Jai Hind. Vande Mataram.